Hey guys, today we're going to change the Serpentine belt on this 2005 Honda Odyssey. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? Really helps me out a lot. First thing we're going to do is remove this cover to get a little better access to the belt. So turn these two little screws just like quarter turn, and then you can lift this off. Alright, now you need to jack up your vehicle so you can get underneath it and use a jack stand. Alright, now we are underneath the passenger side wheel. This is your crank pulley. So that nut right there is your tensioner nut, dummy nut. So you're going to torque on that, and that's going to allow you to get the belt slipped off from the pulley here. Careful not to pinch your fingers. Alright, at this point, it's a matter of snaking the new belt through there. Make sure you remember to look and see how the belt is run through here. If you need to, make yourself a diagram. If not, just remember and put it back the way it came. It can only go on one way, really. I'll have links in the description below where you can get a new belt. And if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me. It really helps me out a lot, and have a good one.